I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Danielle.
And
we're Two Girls, One Fridge. Wait, don't shove it.
I'm not going to stop it.
It's
Don't touch it, okay? I'm scared. Don't touch it, okay?
Whoa, I'll go over here.
I'm totally gonna like kill myself just like going.
It's gonna go down, so don't go that far. Because you know when it goes like that?
Yeah.
I'm
I
good.
just choked up my
I'm good.
spit.
Yeah. You're just like. Let me hung.
It's not red. At all.
It's white.
I'm shivering.
Yeah, me too.
Don't litter!
I'll pick it up later.
We should use the sound effects thing.
It's gonna be something. It's gonna be like iCarly. Oh, hey guys. Ah! Ah! Like it's so stupid. Like why would it do that? Ah ha ha ha. Like and like oh, it's our teacher. Boo! It's lame because we're too cool for you at school. Too cool for school, and you're a fool. Okay, you're too cool for school, and you look like a fool, and you like to drool. Fool, girl, cool. Girls rule, and boys drool. This is such a Okay, to show you this video. I really like to show that one about Blorgish, In, and Boleen. Kenda and Goreen. I can't have anywhere to fall. This is shaping up to be a terrible video. So, if you want to know what we were filming in, here's this tree. You're right inside of this crevice. That was really funny. Okay, say bye.
Bye!